Hello, I'm Cristina Marujos, and you are watching the Daily Market Comment at xm.com by Rafi Boyajian. Just as markets were reconsidering the likelihood of a large 50 basis points cut by the Federal Reserve this month, stronger than anticipated data out of the U.S. dampened those expectations. Core inflation, according to the Consumer Price Index, rose by a larger than expected 0.3% month-on-month in June. An unexpected drop in the latest weekly jobless claims also called into question the urgency for a 50 basis points rate cut. The paring back of expectations of an aggressive rate cut lifted the dollar from yesterday's near one-week lows. The dollar is likely to face further volatility in the lead-up to the July policy meeting as investors try to gauge how aggressive the Fed will be and Fed funds futures react to the incoming data. The euro extended its gains on Friday as the dollar's bounce back from the strong U.S. data proved short-lived. Expectations that the European Central Bank could soon be joining the Fed and easing policy wasn't enough to curtail the euro's rebound. The ECB strongly indicated in its June meeting account published on Thursday that it stands ready to ease the monetary policy stance further. However, with investor expectations of ECB action in the coming months already running high following Mario Draghi's comments the market reaction to the minutes was muted, even with European shares not receiving much of a boost. Oil prices were trading not far from yesterday's 1.5-month highs as declining crude oil inventories in the U.S. and rising tensions between Iran and the West pointed to possible supply disruptions. A tropical storm heading for the Gulf of Mexico has led to the evacuation of oil rigs in the region, adding further upside pressure on prices. Gold also benefited from the increased tensions in the Middle East. The precious metal was also boosted from a tweet by President Trump yesterday, who once again was stoking trade tensions with China, accusing the nation for not buying U.S. agricultural products as they had pledged. Trump's tweet reminded investors that the trade dispute is not likely to go away anytime soon. This was the Daily Market Comment at xm.com. Have a great weekend.